Bravo 13 and Bravo 4 if you want to head as well. 130 West 5, Unit 202 is his address. 130 West 5th, Unit 202. Bravo 3, you can stand down on this board.
4, I'm about half a minute out. Yeah, copy.
Yeah, he's going pretty quick. Oh yeah, look at him go. Perfect. I'll stay on this channel and update you as he approaches that. Best description I got for you right now is it's a crotch rocket. I'm going to call it silver in color. Now there's 2 of them now, right? Just going to make sure that...
Tempo.
Oh, awesome. Look at that. Double yellow.
Both?
Yep.
And there they go.
5-5 Air 1.
Go ahead.
Okay. He's joined up with another street bike, red in color, and they've both decided to drive in the same manner. So far we've got them both well in excess of 40 over the posted speed limit and passing on double solid lines. So I'm not sure if you have a friend there and could assist with both.
There they go.
Oh yeah, perfect.
And Silver's
Yeah.
away.
Yeah, Silver's not going to wait. He's probably 180 plus right now.
Coming down the hill into Virginia now, so
Yeah,
I'll probably arrive there just...
Oh, look at that guy go.
Awesome. Yeah, they're hard right now, 200 plus up the hill. Absolutely
Oh,
flying.
He's going to weave these guys.
And yeah, once you get them stopped, you can probably do them for street racing too. And just so you know, I've got everything recorded and videotaped from Horseshoe Bay.
The light there.
And there'll be the next 2 bikes coming up to you here. Silver one's first, red is second.
10-4, got visual.
They've seen you.
Just confirm these 2 bicycles here.
Confirmed. Again, speeds, both of them well in excess of 200k. You can do them both for unsafe passing as well as cross double solid yellow. And based on what I've got here, I would give the OSMV a quick call and see if you can get a 2-week or 30-day instant driving prohibition.
10-4.
And if you tell them to look in the sky, they'll probably believe you.
10-4, we
Oh wow, look at this guy, northbound. $5-5, I hate to do this for you. I got 3 more bikes that are just doing about $180 northbound on the Fraser, or sorry, the Furry Creek Hill. Oh, I think they saw us. And I'm going to get you a description here. Yeah, he's pulled over. I think he realizes what his fate might be here. Just at the top of the Furry Creek Hill.
There goes his buddies.
So he pulled over. You're going to be having about 8 bikes go past you. He's going to be the very last one. And yeah, like I said, he was doing at least 180 northbound.
He's behind the white truck, correct?
Yeah. Dark colored street bike. It's currently behind a, looks like a white or silver pickup truck. I'll call him right to you.
10-4 copy.
Now the bike that's behind the pickup truck is, again, that's your main one, the one that you can impound, that I did catch doing about 180 plus. but he's the only bike that you could, that I would be happy with taking.
10-4. This last bike that we just pulled in now, last one.
Yeah, if you're gonna take his, if you can get his license plate for me.
10-4, like
Just a bit of a backstory. There was 4 bikes. We ended up following 2 bikes northbound. Got them both stopped for impound. Saw these guys ripping southbound. Followed them.
There they go.
Yeah. Sorry, they're just opening it up a little bit on the bridge here.
10-4.
The
I'm
mid-span.
going to turn around at Wellington.
Copy, mid-span right now, and they're... Yeah, they're impoundable. We're doing 120, and they're pulling away from us on the bridge, and that's a 70 zone. So you can take them both. 2 sprite bikes. One looks like it's dark in color. Driver's in all gray. And they're out of the tunnel, still holding the one. Just coming up to First Ave, and no signal yet, so they'll be committed east through First. Still in tandem.
They're going underground.
1 and 2 right there. Those are the guys. And I'm VCB, so it's all you, Dave.
Vehicles on view. 1 from Ursu 110-4.
Oh, hi, David.
Oh, hi, Sean. Listen, I'm just rolling out west coming through Burnaby. If North End doesn't have anyone available, I can probably pick these guys off around the Casper connector or something like that.
Yeah, sounds good. They're committed past Taylor Way, so we'll hold on to them.
Copy that.
Bikes are just at the top of the cut. Eastbound.
You still see him?
I got him on
I'll
camera.
be bringing him my side here. Okay. As long as I can see him, you can see him.
Delta 1.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Coming up in a flat deck, pulling a flat deck trailer.
When you're done there, would you be able to go to the BC ferry?